Hey, what's going on? We're having a Christmas chess party at the end of 2024. It was a blessed year, and just having a lot of friends and family, some kids, my staffs especially. Thank you to all of them. And we got a lot of food. We got some Mediterranean food. We got pizza. We got desserts. It's too crazy over here. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, man. Yeah. That's Coco Mango. She let her hand go her man. Hey, what's cracking, brother? Second grade, you got to go home. Just kidding. If you're third grade and up, come up here and Coach Adam's going to put your name on the list, and we're going to get the tournament started for the younger kids. All of you who came, thanks for coming. We have more people coming. The food is going to be here, like 12 trays of food is going to be here in about 2 seconds. $12.99 a plate if you want a plate. I'm just kidding, it's free. We're going to do the adults in about 30 minutes. If you play chess, if you're over the age of 18 and you play chess and you're wearing a Lakers hat, you can be in the tournament.
I'm practicing how to lose so that I can...
Christmas Eve, it's the one night of the year when we all...
Hey Monica, we may, because of cleanup, have to go till midnight. I can tell you right now if that's cool. If not, no worries. Thank you. Yeah, so we're having fun at the Christmas chess party. We have like, I think 3 tie breaks, so they're still going with the younger kids, 3rd grade and up. We're gonna do the adults tournament right now. It's gonna probably be an hour and a half long. The first place winner, we'll give them like a cash prize, second place cash prize, and then third place maybe gift certificate. I'm talking about for the adults. Younger kids get gift certificates to like In-N-Out. Do I have some? Oh, I have some right here. We got Starbucks, In-N-Out, Chick-fil-A, eat chicken, unless you're vegan.
A tie between 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So we were doing tiebreakers for there. So in 4th place, we had Aiden.
Woo, good job.
Then in 3rd place, we have Jack.
Jack, all right.
Okay, in 2nd place, winning both tiebreaker matches, we had Jonathan.
Woo.
And in 1st place, with 3 wins and 1 draw, we have Luke.
Woo.
Thank you to everyone who played. Yeah, great job to everyone who came. And we're going to start the adult tournament in about 5 minutes.
Lots of great players. I'm excited to see what happens next.
It was a good game.
You were playing really good.
Yeah, I was trying.
Did you get him? Any thoughts?
No, Davis is a great player. It was a great tournament. Love it. He played well. I played good. It was pretty close. I mean, we both had some pieces, but you know he got me in the time, so it is what it is.
It was a great game. He's a great player. He was making really good moves. You know, it only came down to time. So.
It came without ribbons. It came without tags. It came without packages, boxes, or bags.
You're now listening to the sounds of FC3.
Trade Show Chess Academy end of the year. Coming together, hanging out. Got parents, kids, workers, Josh, everybody. So, yeah, it's a fun night. There's the adults tournament going on right now. We just had the kids tournament. And, yeah, we got the top 4 there for the kids. And now the adults are playing a blitz. And, yeah, just hanging out.
What's going on right now? I'm going to play Natalie right here. And also kids are going crazy. That's why I did not want to invite kids under 3rd grade. But it's all good. We're gonna do the last round for the adults, the 4th round tournament, and then if we have tiebreakers, they're gonna play each other, and then we're gonna give out the prizes and announce the winners at the end. We're having fun here, a lot of food, a lot of music, just chilling out, vibing out. Happy New Year, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to all of you out there.
Josh knows how to throw a party.
Let me repeat myself. Happy New Year. Oh, sorry. I gotta go play Natalie. Yeah, we got Davis winning the tournament for the adults. Good job, Davis. We're having a blast. It's fun. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and thank you to all who have been part of Train Children Chess Academy. It's been a blessing to be a blessing to your kids, and we look forward to an awesome 2025 with more chess programs going out all over Torrance and Long Beach and beyond. So yeah, stay tuned. If you're in Torrance, Long Beach, Garden Grove, wherever, we're going to bring an awesome chess program once again to your schools in 2025, and we look forward to seeing you guys. So you can like, subscribe, share this video, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you at the next school or see you at the next event.